Hi and welcome to my channel Diced and Spiced. Today we are going to see Neivedhyam dishes for day 3 of Navarathri. A Kadalai Maavu Payasam, that is a Besan Payasam, and a white Karamani Sundal. Let's see first how to make the Kadalai Maavu Payasam. Heat a milk pan. Add 2 teaspoons of melted ghee. Add some broken cashews. Roast them till they are golden. Keep them aside. Add 1.5 teaspoons of gram flour, that is Kadalai Maavu or Besan flour. Roast it in the ghee for a few minutes till the raw smell goes away. Today I am taking 1.5 cups of milk for this payasam. Let's first take 1/4 cup of milk and mix the roasted Kadalai Maavu thoroughly. Keep stirring it continuously to avoid lumps. This will take a few minutes. The roasted Kadalai Maavu gives a nice aroma and a different creamy flavor to this payasam. Now the roasted Kadalai Maavu and the milk have completely integrated. It is lump free. Add the rest of the milk. Keep stirring it. I am adding 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, a pinch of saffron, a pinch or 2 of cardamom powder. Add the roasted cashew nuts. Stir it well and allow it to come to a boil. Our tasty Kadalai Maavu Payasam is now ready. Let's see how to make the white Karamani Sundal. White Karamani is also called as black eye peas. I have taken 1/3 of a cup of the Karamani, soaked it for 6 to 7 hours, cooked it for 2 whistles with salt. Let's do the tempering. Take a hot pan, add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, half a teaspoon of mustard, half a teaspoon of Jeera, some broken red chilies, a few curry leaves. Give it a stir. Add some Asafoetida and add the boiled Karamani. Give it a good stir. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute it. I'm going to be using a spice powder which I've made at home. In a dry hot pan, add 1 tablespoon of Channa Dal, 2 teaspoons of Dhaniya, 1 or 2 red chilies. Dry roast this and grind them into a coarse powder. This is the spice powder that we are going to use today for the sundal. I'm taking about half a tablespoon of the spice powder. This gives a nice fragrance and flavor to the sundal. Switch off the flame. Add 2 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Our yummy Karamani Sundal is now ready to be enjoyed. Enjoy your Navarathri with God's blessings and of course our yummy tasty dishes from Diced and Spiced. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and for more such content, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.